Hello everyone, this is another giveaway, if you couldn't already tell. The last one was the most successful one that I have had yet as far as the amount of subscribers and comments and interest in it. However, I am going to have to do my third pick for it because the second person still has not responded and has not got in touch with me. So we are still trying to give away the last gift card, but I am starting another one to bring in some more new people. Now we are at 719 subscribers right now at the time of this filming, and it is March 3rd, 2nd, March 3rd. It's March 3rd, and it's going so well. It gives me a lot of appreciation for you guys. Somebody's home. A lot of appreciation for you guys that have been showing up and helping me do this and push the channel and get more and more at it. So please like the video, share the video, and comment on it to be entered to win a $25 Amazon gift card. Thanks everybody.
Behind me you'll see a car.